Hey, welcome back to our kitchen. What are we up to today? Naughty stuff? They have this thing right now at our local Domino's, $5.99 per item. Everything you see here was $5.99 each. Except for that one little dipper, he was 50 cents. But the other one came with it. Alright, first thing we got here, door number 1, Oven Baked Magic, it says so on the box. We get ourselves the chicken parmesan semi.
First time I ever tried a sandwich from Domino's.
Yeah, it's gonna be so good. Whoa, whoa. I steamed up the camera. Uh-oh. Okay, good. It unsteamed itself. First time, you guys. Here's some of the chicken wings. We've had those before. Those are really good. But, oh, my God. I'm excited about that chicken parmy. I kind of talked the mister into splitting with me. So we're going to get a little bit of both. Over here, behind this beautiful door, we got the Philly. Ain't it just gorgeous? I love how they bake the bread there, I'm told. That's why it says Oven Baked Magic. We also have here later for dinner some pepperoni pizza. Why not take advantage, right? Could either eat it cold or reheat it. Either way. And the best part, naughty dessert. Y'all ever had a cookie brownie? Oh my God, it's heaven. I need to learn how to make these. Although it was...
You just shove a cookie in there or something, man.
You just shove a cookie up the brownies. Yeah, up the brownies brownie. Yeah, that's it. All right, folks. I'm so excited. All right. We really appreciate y'all watching us. Just wanted to show you our beautiful bounty of foods.
What's your favorite Domino's?
Yeah, what is your favorite thing to eat at Domino's? Let us know, man. What kind of pie do you put together? Ours is just the standard pepperoni and hand tossed. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.